Okay, so good evening once again, everyone. Since we are required to submit, or you are required actually to submit a final output for our subject and macro perspective in tourism and hospitality, which is THC4. So you will be making, this is an individual activity, so you will be making a 500 word essay on what is your ideal destination, either international or local. Where would you like to go here in the Philippines or in abroad? And then you could add in your 500 word essay rather, um, what are the different tourism attractions that made you choose this country or made you choose this province or city. Like take for example, I would like to go to Iloilo, not only because it is dubbed as the city of love, but also because they have like beautiful um they have beautiful heritage houses. When it comes to the preservation of heritage infrastructures, just like in Silay, no, makita nimo na siya everywhere in Iloilo. The city is also clean, and there are also a lot of places to visit. So, enumerate na ko na tagsa-tagsa just to justify everything in 500 words why I would prefer going to this city in the Philippines. Pwede man, pinigid makaabot sa 500, you can also add another destination outside of the Philippines. So, pwede local and international, i-combine mo into your 500 word essay. For example, I like to go to Iloilo locally, but outside of the country, I would like to go to um, Japan, no? Or I would like to go to Korea, South Korea. And then also justify what made you want to go to that place. And then that will be on the first page of your term paper, or I don't know how to call it, numeric output paper for your finals. On the second part of your paper will be photos of the places that you want to go. Like for example, diba, I made mention of Iloilo and Japan as the two places where I want to go locally and internationally. So I will be placing some of the best photos of Iloilo and Japan on the second page. So why am I asking two pages only? Because you will be collecting all of that. I will ask a representative from each section to collect all of their classmates' final output, and then you will ring bind it. Okay. So for example, if one of the representatives kay si Ace, okay, from section C. So Ace will collect the papers, and then for section B, separate na pod nga representative. Section A, another representative, and for section D, another representative pod. So per section, you have to collect the outputs of your classmate and have it ring bound. Syempre, the first page, usa lang ka title page for the ring bind. You have the header of the school. Subject title is THC4. So I will just write it here. I will just give the title page um to our group chat so that ma-print out siya ni representative. Make sure it is in Arial. So our font style will be Arial. Font size 12. Naka-justify. So kani wala man siyang justify kaya naka-center man ang title page. But ka-justify meaning straight or tupong tanan, no? Even ang side and side when it comes to the paragraphs. So naka-justify and then double spacing. So let me just type here. Then I'll just send a copy of this one in our group chat. For the title, it would be Finals Output Paper Compilation. Submitted by, instead of the student's name, you can have the section. then submit it to yours truly. Date submitted, so you just have to place there December 20. That will be the deadline of the, so we will have it koan ha kanang hard copy. So you really have to print, or you really have to print your 500 word essay for the first page, and then the second page will be photos. And please, on the first page you have to write your name, and then from what section, so that I will be able to identify individually. So it's really important that we have a tangible output, no, for your final rather. So I'll be expecting one ring bind per section, and then the contents of it will be the two-page output for each student. Okay? So kada estudyante, they will have to make a 500-word essay on where they would like to go in the Philippines and internationally. Within 500 words na siya, and then you place photos on the second page. Don't forget to place your name on the 500 words essay. Have it stapled. The font style is Arial. This one, nasa babaw, no? Arial. Ni. Size 12. Have it justify, so that tupong ang paragraph, and then naka-double space. So, naa sa line spacing, naka-double space. And then, have your representative collect all of them before December 20. Before December 20, syempre, kayo have to ring bind it, no? It would usually take half day raman siguro na ang ring bind. I tried having a document ring bind before. Pila raman na siya ka oras, so di mo siya maabtag pila ka adlaw, pila na siya ka oras. So, mo na siya. This is the first page. So, ika-ring bind ninyo, naka-collect na siya, short bond paper. Mo ni siya ang nasa first page. What will be the color of the ring bind? You'll have it yellow. No, syempre that's the color of the CBM. Sorry, 2026. So the reason why I wanted to have it printed is that we need a tangible copy of your finals output. Where will you submit it? You can give it to Miss Lizelle. Then I will be traveling man Japon to Sagay and get it myself. Or if not, I will just let you have it ipa-LBC lang sa akon, and I will pay for the shipping. Okay, shipping sa documents. Basta mag-coordinate lang si section A, B, C, and D para isa lang kapadala. Okay? So amo lang na siya ang inyong finals output. Actually, the challenging part lang is to have it for the representative to collect it and have it ring bind. But the rest, hapos man lang na siya. 2 pages man lang per student. 1 page for the essay, second page for the photos. Have it ring bind, either submit it to Ma'am Lizelle on or before December 20. Okay? So that would be it raman for my instructions for our finals output. For our finals exam, coverage will be only the tourism product. Chapter 5, slides are already uploaded in our Google Classroom. And same schedule, same time, same day as our regular classes. So that's 6 to 8. And it depends on what day is our schedule for the class. Mora po na siya ang sundon. Okay? Siguro I will ask na lang any representative that is responsible to collect the output. Okay, or the activity. And he or she will be responsible for the outputs of their classmates in collecting, so that hindi mawala. Okay, thank you so much everyone. And if you have other questions, you can just message me sa messenger. Thank you.